cookies! So these are things that you need to make the cookies with the frosting. So you have the bowl, pink. We have red icing. We have white icing in containers. We have glitter. We have sprinkles. And we have cookie cutters. So let's get started. First, you empty the cookie dough into the bowl. Then you add a 1/4 cup of flour. Then knead it together, but always make sure that you wash your hands. Always wipe your counter. Spread a little flour on the counter. So now we have these cookie cutters that I like, and now we're gonna cut them. And get your baking sheet ready. Now we're gonna do a Christmas tree. Now repeat the process again. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. The last cookie, I'm going to do a Santa hat. Make sure you have a parent. Just make sure so that you do it safely. Yay! Make sure you don't touch your knee with the oven. Make sure to bake your cookies for 10 minutes. Allow them to cool for 15 minutes before you ice them. Ready to decorate our sugar cookies. So guys, I'm gonna do the ornament with the ugly sweater on it. Okay guys, so now I'm going to decorate it with some sparkles. we're done our cookies. So now I'm gonna try one.
All right, let's do it. Which one are you gonna try?
The stocking.
The stocking? Who decorated the stocking?
My dad.
Ooh, did your dad do a really good job?
Yeah.
All right, let's try it. Ready?
3, 2, 1, go! It's yummy.
Yes? Oh, how yummy.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? Why? It's because you made them? All right, you did a really good job on decorating all these sugar cookies. You're definitely ready for Christmas this year.
Yep.
All right.
I love these sugar cookies. Next time, I will make these ones again, but in summer theme.
Summer theme. So we gotta wait about 6 months for that.
Yeah, and we're gonna make it like yellow, like any bright color in the world. I'm thankful for all of you guys watching my video. And I'm also thankful for my mom and my dad. Thanks for watching. Give us a huge thumbs up. Click the subscribe button, turn on notifications. See you guys later. Bye.